What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today's video we're talking about the Bissell powerforce helix turbo pet. Now as you can see, this thing got used, did not get used again because like I said, you can see this machine is actually going to get used almost quite a bit this weekend because you know sometimes it's like, it will get used again another weekend, so I know sometimes I just better this thing like, which is, it's not that bad in my opinion, but you see how much it's better this thing that you get to see because you see how much better this thing getting used almost quite a bit. And I do like the same lot because you see how it's better the same you can tell. This is a C. This is the 3333 was released in 2024 last year, which is actually World War What exactly in this machine exactly because you see the hose it is a little dirty a little bit because you know how it's better this thing you get to tell because you see how much better this thing exactly which I do like the same one because even though this thing is actually gonna get used almost quite a bit because you see how much it's better this thing exactly which is definitely not that bad in my opinion. But it will get used again another weekend. And I know that because you see how much better this thing exactly is that we could get used again another weekend because you know how better this thing exactly which is it's not that bad in my opinion, but you see how much it's better this machine's gonna get used almost quite a bit another weekend because you know how better this thing exactly which is definitely looks pretty much way better this thing exactly like you do like the same one because the filter is not dirty yet because you can see how much better this thing it's not dirty as you can see because you know how better this thing exactly which is I have not used the turbo bars on this thing yet because not yet you can see because you see how much it's better this thing exactly which it will be used at some point but you know how it's better this thing exactly which it's definitely how much it's better this thing exactly which I do like this thing a lot because you see how much it's better this thing exactly which is definitely looks pretty much what expected this machine exactly, which I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which definitely looks pretty much what expected this thing exactly, which I probably like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which I do kind of like this thing a lot because you see how much expected. So it won't get used again on the weekend. So but you know I expected this thing exactly is gonna get used almost quite a bit this week, and then something that I have to tell you that you can see because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So you can see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice what you expected this thing exactly. So this thing will get used again on a weekend, and it's a really nice looking machine.